Welcome to PluggedIn, a community platform where diverse tech professionals can come together to share knowledge, skills, and connections. But first, how can you get started?
First, make sure you're a member of our Black in Tech Berlin network. You can sign up easily on the page with your email and choose the membership option that works best for you. Then you can use that same email to join PluggedIn.
Wow, that's so easy. And what now?
Now you can sow seeds, plant roots, grow branches, and more.
What if I don't know how to garden?
Don't worry, you don't need a green thumb to grow in our ecosystem. I'll show you what I mean. Let's start with sowing a seed. If you click on the Make a Post button in the upper right corner, your first option is to sow a seed. This means making a post that your community can see.
Ah, I see. And who is your community?
Everyone who follows you. A seed starts small, but will grow as more people join your community and engage with your post.
But where is my profile? And how can people find and follow me?
Your profile is linked to your Black in Tech profile, which you can edit here. On the search bar at PluggedIn, people can find you by name and click on the small green button next to it to follow and again to unfollow. You can also follow and unfollow people using the same button that appears next to their names when they post.
Wait, how can I post to the whole network? Where do I do that?
If you want to reach out to the whole network to, for example, ask for guidance, you could plant a route. When you plant a route, you make a post that everyone can see, in which you can ask for a service or assistance in your professional life and more.
So I could ask for help with my CV or with my business.
Yes, with anything.
Anything? Well, then, I've been looking for a place to get my braids redone.
Well, as our community grows, you should be able to get a perfect recommendation from that as well.
Wait, who are these people being recommended under this route post?
These are mentors. When you click on them, you'll be taken back to the Black in Tech website where you can schedule appointments for personalized coaching sessions with experts that can work with you.
But what if I have a service or a skill I want to share with others instead?
Then you could grow a branch. It works the same as planting a root, except in these posts, you are sharing your skills or expertise with the whole network.
I'm pretty good at a lot of things. Hard to choose only 10.
Then you might want to upgrade later so you can share even more of your skills with the community.
And what are these other two post types?
Here, you can share events and post your business to the network. And when you are browsing, you can decide what kinds of posts you would like to see. So you can filter for routes if you want to see what people need help with, or branches if you want to see what people are offering.
Or events if you want to save some dates, or businesses if you want to check out the businesses of those in the network.
Yes, sounds like you get it now.
That was much easier than learning how to garden.
Now all that is missing is you.
Me?
No, you watching right now. Join us and get plugged in to our amazing network of tech leaders and grow your community and your skills with us.